Hello there, pleased to have you today. With the rise of the IT industry around the corner, managers are brushing up their sleeves for what is believed to be a heavy year in recruiting. With an estimated surge of 40% in sectors such as AI, IoT, and cybersecurity as per Gartner's research, recruiters feel optimistic about an increase in the number of open positions likely to come up in 2019. Before we go any further, please like, comment and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified on our latest videos. A rise in employment opportunities calls for an upheaval in the skill set of prospective candidates. Therefore, we thought to bring you a curated list of the top 5 technical skills that will see an emerging requirement in the upcoming year, in no particular order. Web development. Web development is the coding or programming that enables website functionality. It mainly deals with the non-design aspect of building websites, which includes coding and writing markup, HTML. Web development ranges from creating plain text pages to complex web-based applications, social network applications, and electronic business applications. There are several types of web developers. We will focus on 3. Front-end development involves the combination of design, technology, and programming to code a website's appearance to ensure that website visitors can easily interact with the page. Front-end developers take care of all the visual aspects of the website, layout, navigation bar, etc., its interactivity, and bind together all its elements. HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript are used for front-end development. Back-end development. A back-end developer takes care of less visible tasks that ensure the website runs smoothly, such as managing the hosting services of the website, database, and applications. Back-end developers might need to engineer solutions to server issues by using additional server-side languages such as Python, Ruby, Java, and PHP. Full-stack development refers to web application development that focuses on both the front-end, client-side, and the back-end, server-side. To increase the website's operation, each side must communicate and collaborate efficiently as a single unit. Web development is a highly specialized field and one of the most popular and rapidly growing industries in the world. It's a very good time to be a developer of any kind. Graphic designing. Graphic design involves creating visual content using some software like Adobe Creative Suites, CorelDRAW, etc. to make beautiful print-ready designs. Graphic design contains creativity with elements, photos, fonts and colors etc. to deliver visual messages. By applying visual page layout techniques, designers use pictures to meet user-specific needs and focus on the logic of displaying elements in interactive designs, to optimize the user experience. Graphic designers help organize visual information so that it reaches the consumer. Road signs, textbook design, letterhead. It is the graphic designer who solves the problem of accurate and timely communication of information. The correct design of the text helps to make it easy to understand. It is a graphic design that can help sell an idea or product. Services such as the creation of the company's corporate identity, branding, packaging design, have recently become more and more in demand on the market. Graphic design has great scope as there is a huge demand for graphic designers in the upcoming future. And to become a professional in this field, you need to enroll yourself in an institute that will help you in becoming more creative and help you to make it brighter in this field. Data science. Data is everywhere and the amount of data generated is likely to rise in the future too. Hence, the demand for the ones who are proficient in data science will keep on increasing too. The prerequisites to begin a vocation in data science rely upon what sort of job you need to decide on. There are various jobs accessible in data science like data scientist, data analyst, data engineer, business analyst, data architect, machine learning engineer. Along these lines, picking a job should be the main thing that must be chosen. After picking a job, one should choose the course he needs to select, and the preparation for the equivalent ought to be taken. Some great learning platforms among others include LearnBay, Coursera, Udemy, Simplilian, Udacity, etc. These courses help a lot to cover up the prerequisites and start a career in data science. Cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the practice of setting up data centers and server farms to distribute the storage and processing power over multiple machines, thereby speeding up all the work. Simply put, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence, over the internet, the cloud, to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. You typically pay only for cloud services you use, helping lower your operating costs, run your infrastructure more efficiently, and scale as your business needs change. With cloud computing you can save on costs. Cloud computing eliminates the capital expense of buying hardware and software and setting up and running on-site data centers, the racks of servers, the round-the-clock electricity for power and cooling, the IT experts for managing the infrastructure. It adds up fast. If you are a beginner, the best way to learn cloud computing is by taking a cloud computing certification course. If you take a cloud computing course, you will be able to get the seasoned and experienced guidance of experts who have been working in the field of cloud computing for decades. Prerequisites for the field of cloud computing: programming skills, database management, security and privacy policy management, knowledge of agile development and operating systems. You can learn the necessary skills and become a highly in-demand professional through cloud computing. It's the perfect time to become a cloud computing professional for freshers. There's surging demand in the industry, and cloud services provider companies are actively looking for experts in cloud computing solutions. Cyber security. Cybercrime is continuously rising, and many smaller businesses are facing problems due to ineffective cybersecurity. We are using the internet and digital marketing in our day-to-day operations. So the importance of both has become higher. To protect businesses, the use of IT security solutions has become crucial for all kinds of companies. Cybersecurity has become crucial to business due to the rise of digitalization, and it involves everything that pertains to protecting our sensitive data from theft and damage attempted. The cybersecurity field is one of the most booming fields in this decade. To get a job in this field depends on the kind of profile you are looking for in the cybersecurity domain, as this field has many different kinds of job roles. First and foremost, the basic requirement is that you need to have a computer science degree or an equivalent information technology degree. In addition to this, you need to remember that most cybersecurity jobs come with experience. So, I suggest you start your career with an IT job and then move to the cybersecurity domain. If you do this, you will have the required experience. After that, you can look into the roles that interest you. Basically, in this field, you should be good with networking. You should also have some programming skills, as some of the roles involve a good amount of coding. You should have good knowledge of working with operating systems such as Linux. Programming languages such as Java and C++ is good to know. Lastly, depending on the job profile, you can take up a few cybersecurity certifications. These certifications will help in getting a job, as most companies look for certified professionals. The in-demand skills are not limited to the ones listed above. You can do your research to make a better choice. And that's it for today. Thanks for coming around. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Please stay glued to our channel as we continue to serve you more informative and educational tech updates. See you soon.